Hi, welcome to Adobe Gab. Today, I will going to show you how to make a very great transition, or should I say before and after wipe effect on Premiere Pro. So we are here in the incredible world of Premiere Pro. So I already imported my before and after files on the project. Drag your files on the timeline. Go to Effects panel and type Transition. For this video I used Wipe Transition, but you can also use whatever you want effect. And drag the top video to left, so that there is some time to show what is the before. You can also make the transition longer or shorter by clicking and dragging the white thing or the effect left or right. And it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this Premiere Pro tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you wouldn't miss out on my videos, and stay safe.